Hello everyone, this is my pleasure to introduce our product. Our product is about personal property security. Its name is That'sMine. The person's name is Taha. He's one of our interviewers. He said, when I was younger, I had a few personal items stolen from, from me and never got them back. Oh, this sounds bad. Um, And we also found the bad situation in the library. We found unattended computers, cell phones, and earphones in the library. And this is an unattended bag. Also, people are away from a well. The likelihood is safe is high. So we decide to protect these personal belongings. This is mine is born.
That'sMine is a removable protection device to keep your items safe from theft in action in real time. Cassandra is, imagine this, Cassandra is in a tourist area known for thieves. She activates That'sMine after setting her purse on the floor in a restaurant outside. A thief tries to grab her purse but gets shocked and leaves. Major success. The product is safe, people will still be alive and well after they get shocked. It'll last for as long as the battery lasts, and the battery can be replaced easily. It can be removed through a special mechanism that deactivates the product, and only owners will be able to deactivate the product, and they'll have a special digital key that deactivates That'sMine. Anyone with permission from the owner will have the same digital key. That's how our prototype looks like. The design will change based on feedback from customers and physical limits of reality. Yeah. So this is an important product for the market. Over 1,000 purses and wallets are stolen every 2 minutes, according to Big Skinny, and one laptop is stolen every 53 seconds, according to research by Forbes.
So, based off of the 40 plus interviews we've done with customers such as Taha, we found that one of the biggest problems that people seek to find a resolution towards is having something that's portable, stops theft in action, and also can attach to multiple devices. So, compared to our other main competitors, That'sMine is the only product that can attach to something other than just a laptop or a purse. You can attach to things like a suitcase or anything like that onto multiple items. It stops the theft even in action. Compared to something like a safe, where once it's opened, or a lock, once it's broken, the theft is easy to go. There's nothing stopping the theft from happening. That'sMine stops it while it's even in action. That'sMine is also portable and easy to take on the go and put in on any kind of device wherever you are. On top of that, on our business model, going through a regular situation, let's say Taha leaves his laptop to go to the bathroom in the library. The laptop gets stolen and Taha becomes frustrated because his insurance doesn't cover that damage or that loss. So he then Googles online to find a personal property protection and goes and finds the result of That'sMine in our website. He goes to our website, buys as many as he feels he needs, and goes to the cart, and it gets delivered within a few days. So going off of our business model with our prices, our retail price for one That'sMine item, personal property device, is going to be $60, minus our production cost will be around $40 for all materials in production, leaving us with a $20 per unit profit.
So for our team, we have Pablo, who is our hacker slash hipster, Becky, who is our main hustler, Xing Yi, who is our hacker, and myself, Jason, who will be participating in both hacking and hustling. So far in our timeline, we have done over 40 customer interviews, and based on that, we have been able to come up with a design that will match the needs of our consumers. And as we continue to conduct more of these interviews, we will continue to alter the design or even change the overall product to match those same demands. Today we are asking for $1,000 to improve our product and to move ourselves into the next stage of product development. $800 will be used to create 20 units of our product, whereas the remaining 200 will go towards website creation and overall advertising. Finally, I would like to conclude this on a quote that drives us towards developing a better product from Taha, which is, having advice that protects all of my property would be very helpful and I would definitely invest in. Thank you.